Hey guys, welcome to the channel again. Here to show you the progress that he's made in the past week. He's mounted some new things, made some new mounts for reasons that he can definitely tell us because I have no idea.
So I got this shock mount tacked in place. Took some figuring to figure out, you know, what's going to clear my frame. I'm trying to keep the shock to the outer side of the axle as far as possible.
I don't know what a truck is.
We're gonna play a game and see what the girls know. So the boys are going to ask us questions, and yes, we're a little intoxicated. Let's make it a little more fun. Go ahead, babe. Roll.
Alright, I guess we're going to start with this over here.
The tractor?
What do you girls figure this part here is?
The turbo.
Oh, that was too easy.
Because it spins.
Okay, underneath here, what's this?
Ooh. Shut up. Jordan knows. Jordan. Injector.
What's that?
Jordan, fucking what is it? You're on my team. What is it? I'm not fucking telling you.
What is it?
Intake. No. That's on the motor so good. Oh, I know this one. Think, Lindley. Manifold? Manifold? Manifold. Intake manifold. No, that's not it. Yes, it is. No,
Danny got it.
yes, it is.
That's the intake manifold, yeah.
Oh shit! Good job, Danny! I know my truck parts.
Here's a mount I made for the water separator and fuel filters. There they are. Just got the Donaldson filters and some filter heads from Peterbilt. I'm gonna get this mounted up on the truck. This all bolted up. I welded a piece of angle iron on the side of the frame here so I can bolt this right to it. Nice and clean, easily detachable. Try to mount them up as high as possible to prevent them from hanging down below the frame rails so you can see it. How many spark plugs are in this motor?
1, 2, 3, 72. Final answer is 12. 12.
No.
No, 24.
6, 7.
No.
It doesn't have spark plugs.
There's 0 spark plugs in this motor.
I thought it was just a Dodge that don't have spark plugs.
It's the same thing.
No, a Dodge doesn't have glow plugs. A Ford and Chevys have glow plugs. Alright.
Hey guys, I'm going to take you under the truck to show you one of the mounts that he made for the fuel pump, and it's an automotive A1000. Let me show you. Get on the creeper. And you can see, if not, right there is the fuel pump. And then the bracket, the mount, I should say. It's this piece. And it's just like that. Back here. Oh, there we go. As you can see, it's mounted to the bottom of the fuel cell, and it's so the gravity, oh shoot, I forget. What is it?
Gravity feeds.
Gravity feeds, yeah. Sometimes he has to help me out.
I knew that one.
Let's start here. What's this one here? What's this right here?
That's something for a belt.
Okay, the belt drives it, but what is that?
Water pump.
Water
Ah,
pump.
Jordan got it.
Jordan, stop.
Okay, what goes inside of this canister?
Oil.
Oil
Nah.
filter.
There you go,
Or
Jordan.
nitrous.
Jordan got it once
Fucking
again.
oil goes in it if it's a filter.
Yeah, but the oil filter goes in there.
7.
What's up, guys? Got my new Viking double adjustable shocks for the truck with the option to put coilover springs on if I want to. That's what these are for. Might use them down the road. Right now, we're just gonna be using the plain old shock. Yeah, just put them on the truck. What's this?
A cylinder.
No,
What is it?
that is.
You're cheating.
Dave! Dave, quit giving them out!
I'm drinking my beer.
What is it?
It's a flex plate.
Flex plate.
Alright, Jordan got it once
Fucking
again.
Master mechanic here.
She
Okay.
works for.
What causes spark in a diesel engine?
The engine running. That's an
Combustion.
It's compression.
Wow, that is.
You're fucking
Compression.
You fucking asshole. I just.
Compression causes combustion.
Cheating.
Dave over here is trying to make his fucking girlfriend look smart. Brownie brown hole.
I'm just drinking.
My fucking word was the most logical. Nah, combustion.
Look at Dave. Oh, I love Danny. Oh, she's the best.
Pretty much. I'm just over here minding my own business.
Whatever. Compression.
Yes,
She
compression.
said combustion.
Well, compression causes combustion.
The engine running causes
See?
it.
Told ya. Trucks up 101.
Technically, she's not wrong on that.
Trucks up.
Exactly. Thank you. I'm not fucking wrong.
Hey guys, this week we did shock mounts on the truck. Got the Viking double adjustables mounted up. Pulled the engine and trans out. We missed getting the trans out, but it's not there anymore. So stay tuned for next week. Check out what's going on.
It's what McCord's like do to you.
That's what truck says drink. Sip it.
I'm a truck.
Okay, where's the torque converter located?
Where
Right
the
there.
torque is. Danny? I'll let Danny answer before. It's on the engine.
And Jordan already knows.
You're cheating again!
She's a mechanic.
Jordan. Let me see.
Look at Boots, he looks like Batman.
Okay, torque converter has to be on the engine.
The suspension.
The suspension.
Is that your serious answer? Is that the best you guys got?
Fucking idiot. The transmission.
He's cheating!
Dave, once again, has to give his girlfriend the answer.
Nope. Hey, wait. I don't have to.
Yeah, no, you don't, Yankee.
Go ahead, babe.
All right.
Let's do like 3 more questions.
Torque converter too damn much in the Dodge. Every other
What's the purpose of the intercooler?
To keep it cool.
Keep what cool?
The engine
The intake.
Engine.
What
The engine.
intake?
What?
The air. I said that.
Yes.
Fucking
I did say that. I got that. No.
Dave, you're seriously, you get behind me.
No, I said that one right. I said it first before he told me.
Okay,
I
next
said it
question.
Okay. What's oil do?
Lubes it. That's what it does, you asshole! You're right.
I'm keeping my mouth shut this time.
Okay.
And it lubes it, right?
Yeah, it leaves it. What's
What's a tomer do on a Dodge? Looks like a moose.
what's the purpose of a thermostat?
To see what temperature it is.
All right, you
It's
might have
like
to
the one
explain that one a little
outside.
better.
No.
That's an ambient
The
temperature.
the thermostat keeps the engine. The thermostat prevents the engine from cooling until it reaches a certain temperature.
Yeah, that's what I said. It tells the temperature.
No, it doesn't tell the temperature.
No, it doesn't tell you. It like.
It controls what temperature it runs at.
It controls the heat and the cool.
It closes when it's cold and it opens when it's hot.
Okay, messed up. Messed up.
Okay, how's a turbo work?
How's what?
How's a turbo work?
It like runs.
Boost. You know why? Because my dog's named Boost and my cat's named Turbo. Right?
I think I had something to do with that.
Right? Right? Because the boost
A
goes.
turbo makes boost, but how's that happen?
So is
The boost does not go into the turbo.
Question, is your boost going into the turbo?
Is your
and
boost
making
going
it
into
No,
the
they're
turbo?
cat and dogs. I don't think, you know, that TV show Cat
Cat
Dog.
dog?
I don't think that's real.
Hey.
Anyways, back to
I think at the end of this, it should all flashes.
the engine. The engine.
Okay. Air is sucked into the turbo, which creates boost.
Oh, aren't you just smart? Okay, ass. Next question.
Okay, what's a transfer case do?
Wait, you didn't let Jordan answer the question.
Jordan.
Transfer case. I know, transfer case. That's underneath what we couldn't get out of, right? Right?
That's because Tyler didn't pull out.
It's sitting right there.
Oh, that's the transmission.
JJ?
No, that transfer case is bolted behind the transmission, but what's it do?
Run.
Four-wheel drive.
Good, I wonder how you figured that one out.
Sandy helped
JJ,
JJ, why are you giving him all the answers?
look at him. He's giving out all the answers. Oh, he's gone.
my kid.
He's like a Ninja Turtle.
Alright, last question.
Yeah, last question.
What does a fender do? It calls you money and insurance.
What's the proper level of headlight
Okay.
fluid?
I'd really like to see the answer to this one.
Okay.
What's a camshaft do?
Takes pictures.
Jordan's not allowed to talk.
Camshaft.
Not the shaft, the camshaft.
I think
Open
Jordan.
and closes the valve.
Wow. Wow. Holy shit.
Yeah, you're so smart.
Did you
Oh
actually
my
give
god.
Thank you.
All right, we got extra credit question.
I didn't even see. I was like, holy fuck, Danny.
Dude, Jordan was like, and all this is bad.
Extra credit question. What connects the pistons to the crankshaft?
Rods.
What? You're half close.
Connecting rods.
Yep.
Ah, I didn't even need you, Dave.
Yeah, right. You totally even. You were
I
watching.
did it.
You
I
were
did
reading
it.
my lips.
I know I did.
You had half. You gave half the answer. Jordan gave the full
No,
answer.
he gave the whole name. I knew it was
Wait,
rods.
what do
I get for the bonus?
A boner.
I swear to God.
Thanks for watching our game, Jordan. And our master mechanic so we could win.
This video, please subscribe to this channel.
Because